IDM or Internet Download Manager software helps the user to download files over the internet into the computer in an organized way and also in very less time. IDM is one such software that will boost the downloading speed by various. It will present you with a lot of options for organizing your download. In a better way, IDM breaks down the file into micro components or parts, and then those parts will be downloaded simultaneously at uniform speed. IDM is not free. You have to pay after the trial session is over. You can find a lot of cracks available on the web, but those cracks file not good for your computer and do not work for every user. I have an alternative to the Internet Download Manager, which is available for free uses. Let's talk about Free Download Manager. It has lots of features. It has a fast, safe, and efficient downloading system. You can be downloading videos from popular websites. It supports proxy and HTTP, HTTPS, HTTP, FTP, BitTorrent. It is a user-friendly interface with a modern design and supports Windows and Mac OS. Free Download Manager allows you to adjust traffic uses, organize downloads, control file priorities for torrents, efficiently downloads large files and resume broken downloads. Free Download Manager can be boost all your downloads up to 10 times. Free Download Manager. This is the official website of the Free Download Manager. It's a free download manager. Download everything. Okay, just click here. And this is the official website is Free Download Manager. This is the freedownloadmanager.org. You can select the language of the language. Yes, download is very easy, basic thing. You can use this software for Windows, Mac, Android, and Linux also. And it supports Windows 10, Windows 8.1, 8, 7, 60-bit. I'm just using for Windows. It just click the download. Or let's see. In previously, I have discussed about some features. I can again check some features again. It's a BitTorrent supported, enhanced audio video file supported, download acceleration, resuming broken downloads, smart file management to power scheduler, adjusting traffic uses, multi-language supported, absolutely free and 100% safe. I think that most of the software is free. It has lots of malware, virus, like this, but this is the Android free, and this is the under the CPL license. Okay, so and some in previous version cross platform supported supported 7 plus. Uh, there's a lots of problem. Okay, I'm just going pre-download manager for Windows. I'm using Windows 10. I'm using Windows 10, so for that I'm using for Windows. Okay, just click automatically. Your download will be started automatically. Oh yes, it's started because it's version 1 because in previously I have installed that in my download folder. It's available now. Just closing and this download because I have already downloaded it. Okay, this is the main downloaded file. You just click install for all user. If you use it for only for me, you just click install for me. And if you download for all users, okay, I'm just downloading for all users, and it's a soft deluxe limited. Is the and next and create. I'm creating just a shortcut and create a quick launcher shortcut. Okay, let's install and just wait a little bit time to download and bit finishing. They're very simple. Is it to not take the more time? Congratulations, I have successfully installed free download manager. Okay, just launch it and finish, and this is the launch. And previously I have used some file. That's why mm, it is the showing that the interface is look like that. This is the plus sign. It's like you can add new download, like it's download URL. If you add the download URL, and after that you can push, play, or back and those two. And it will move to the download. And just I'm testing a download how it's in. I'm just going. I'm going just for file hippo file hippo. Here's a lots of file. I know. Just testing a download. Just okay. It's the Avast free antivirus. Download latest version. Just right click and copy link address. Add it. And if my link was correct, then it will download. Start the download. Yes, file name is available online place. Disk space. Size of the disk space. You can the schedule from when you will start download. Decide skip the schedule, and you can choose the destination. Choose the destination. Avast. Avast. Okay, but this file is not 26. I think I have selected the wrong file. That's why it's showing me the 261 KB. I think this link is a mistake. Oh no, so yes, but this is the only. It's the only 261 KB. No, uh, I'm just I need a big file for that. Big file for testing the download. If I use category trim pure Java and access that's one development Cisco Java file chida very high, and I'm just searching a file who is the more than um, okay, just try to the OBS studio. Okay, I'm just trying what OBS studio. Okay, just simple. Oh no, escape OBS studio. After okay, oh this is the opening 5 MB. Mhm. Oh, this is file says file MB. Okay, I'm just saying the how the download. This is the download is 40 seconds. Uh, download it. Speed to 56 kilobyte high. 70 kilobyte for and it's just okay. This download is completed. Okay, now if I show some big file, how many time is needed for downloading, networking, web development, web development. Just put some Adobe Photoshop CSH update. It's a new release. Photoshop CC. Oh, yeah, I think this is a very big file. No need to download, but just uh, in next lecture I'll show the what's the best alternative of Adobe Photoshop because I'm just showing that Adobe Photoshop is the most expensive software because that's why I need a free software for that. And I wanna okay, I just skipping Adobe. Okay, I think you show the system, and I'm showing you another uh, office and news. Oh, this is the Microsoft Adobe. Okay, free PDF driver. Well, it's the Office for Windows. Okay, that's downloaded version. Okay, I'm just trying to. Yes. Sorry. Also, it's a 47 kilobyte. Okay, so pushing that and I'm downloading this and I'm showing again. Please click the add button and here just and click OK and you can show the how show the file size and just downloading and it's a download started. If my network connection is closed, is download will be push. Okay, I'm just closing my internet connection, or if my PC is shut down, your download will. This is a no net connection, but your download is start from here. Okay, I'm just closing this and just pre-download. I'm opening it. Oh, my download is a post here, and if I start my network connection, I can resume my download. Mm, yes, it's auto resuming. This is the main facilities. This is the main facilities for this software. That's why I'm using, and this is the totally free, and this is the almost similar uh, to the Internet Download Manager IDM, which is most popular. I think you can use the free download manager for downloading. Okay, I have just completed 35% of this downloaded. Okay, no more today.